Hi, good day ma'am and sir. I'm Rachel Posadas. I'm 37 years old. I'm from Philippines. I'm happily married. I have a 5 blessed kid, 3 boy and 2 girl. I have also experience in Singapore in 2 years. I serve 1 couple and 1 kid. My daily duty in Singapore is cleaning the house, ironing, washing the clothes, marketing, car washing, and especially taking care of the kid in the whole day and whole night. I have also experience in Hong Kong. I serve 1 couple and 2 kids. My daily duty also in Hong Kong is cleaning the house, ironing, washing the clothes, cooking, and especially taking care of the 2 kids. To my future employer, please hire me, ma'am. I am hardworking, honest, more patient, and I do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you, ma'am, and have a good day.